Hi, I'm Alex from Storyboard, and today I'm happy to introduce you to the second ŠKODA developed exclusively for India, the all-new ŠKODA SLAVIA. And who better to give us a tour than ŠKODA's head of design, Oliver Stefani. Hi, Oliver.
Hi, Alex.
So what can you tell us about the inspiration behind this car?
Well, this ŠKODA SLAVIA reflects everything that we have learned in the past couple of years working for the Indian market. And what is really nice is this modern design, this clear, the precision of the car, the dynamic look of the car. This is really beautiful. Yeah.
And what's your favorite part about this car?
Well, if you look on the side of the car, you see that the profile of the car is really almost like a coupe. And this is what I quite like. It's very dynamic. You see the wedge, you see the lines on the car, they drive forward, and this beautiful roof line ending up in the tailgate gives the ŠKODA SLAVIA a really dynamic look.
It's very uniquely ŠKODA.
Yeah, because we have such a strong brand identity at ŠKODA. Yeah? So what you see here is inverted power dome that all our cars have. We have the logo sitting on the front. We have this chrome grille, which is wide. Also with the vertical ribs, it's very upright, this proud appearance. We have the LED lights here, sharply designed in this crystalline design language, connected to the grille. The whole front fits very nicely to the side because it has this dynamic, it's this movement, it's really gorgeous.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Should we check inside?
Yeah, okay. So Alex, how do you feel inside the car?
Honestly, I love it. I really love the earthy tones, it makes me feel kind of grounded, very comfortable, very safe.
Yeah, I mean, it's this overall design theme. Yeah? It's the same like in the exterior. So we have this strong identity. We have this very wide-looking dashboard running quite long in the doors. So that stretch this gives extra space. So it's very nice.
And for you, what is your personal favorite thing about the interior here?
I think it's this dual tone. We have this dual tone in all levels, in active, ambition, and style. And this gives this classy, super nice feeling to the car. So elegant, sporty, and it's really nice in the tones. I like this quite a lot, Alex.
All right, final words for the people of India.
Well, I just hope that the people in India enjoy the car as much as we did when we created the SLAVIA.
Good luck, and thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Alex.